Hey, morning, Cash.
Ngay PC lâu lấy người.
I'm just, well,
Networking and
hey,
connectivity.
don't try to throw me under the bus, dude. Well, of course, it's a wonderful Tuesday morning. Sun is out. The rays are shining brightest as always. Of course,
beautiful.
It's a sign of a lovely day ahead. I just want to let everyone know that us at SSAB, we have something special for you. If you're looking for a product to buy, something, a gift for someone, or probably if you've planning to return home from after 5 lovers and family stuff over here, we have something for you to think about, and that's coming up at 8 o'clock, right, Cash?
Yes. So stick around.
Well, of course, we're getting close to celebrating Easter, and Easter is a big thing for Samoa as well.
Of course, yeah.
Goes and tie with our religion, which is Christianity, and of course Easter specials. That's one of our promotions that's happening right now. So it started on Tuesday. It started on Monday, the 31st of March, and will go up until the 22nd of April later on this month. So massive sale on most of our electronic products. We also have our apparel section, kitchenware, kitchen appliances, and not forgetting our whiteware. And we have massive sales on our home furnishing side as well. Well, speaking of positivity, yesterday we celebrated Positive Day, which is always a monthly thing for SSAB. Started on the 7th, which was yesterday, and this will be a 1-week special only. And the good thing about Positive Day is we have packages. So it's 2 products, 3 products we put together as packages, and you can buy that for only a price of 1. Well, speaking of that, we have this Gevi toaster and a Gevi kettle that you can buy for only 77 tala.
Oh, yeah.
You can get this Kulix electric frying pan, and it comes with a rice cooker for only 197 tala. There's more amazing stuff that you can have a look at, and you can see that on our Facebook page, as mentioned with our ad before, that you can always visit us on Facebook at SSAB Samoa at facebook.com. And there's more to come. Not forgetting that we also have specials happening with our SSAB Bargain. And I believe tomorrow will be the opening day for our SSAB Bargain over there in Savai'i. So first we established the SSAB Bargain here in Upolu, which was at Sinamonga. But now, so good news for our folks over there in Savai'i. We have our SSAB Bargain opening up pretty soon. I'll say tomorrow will be the opening day for that. And that's giving you, quality products from New Zealand, from Australia, from the US. You can find all those with our friends over there at SSAB Bargain Savai'i.
Special. Let me ask you, Iko, why is it called 7-Day Positive?
7-Day Positive. Well, sometimes when you wake up in the morning and you don't feel motivated to go to work, you have to keep in mind that you have a purpose. You have a purpose in life. Preach. Well, the idea behind it is to provide the quality products at affordable prices as well.
Yeah.
Well, when it comes to term, when you're thinking of weddings, we have weddings happening every week in and week out. So if you're looking for something, a gift for the newlyweds, or else you're trying to furnish up your newly home, newly finished home. So there are some packages that you can look at that can fit your budget. And I'm saying that quality is surely indeed the name behind our motive, which is we sell quality products to the whole of Samoa.
That is true. You know what I love about SSAB, Iko?
Yes.
Is SSAB has specials on top of specials. Promotions on top of promotions.
Well, some people, that's why we've been pushing our Facebook page, because some people, they don't understand. They come in not knowing that some products are like almost more than 50% off the normal price. So, and looking at our specials, sometimes, there's this special happening, like the Easter. Take for instance, there's Easter special, and then we have the 7th Positive special. But keep in mind, we also have daily in-house specials as well. So for Monday, we have Monday Madness special. Today's Tuesday, so we have a Tech Tuesday special. So a lot of prices will drop on some of our electronic devices, electronic products in store. And of course, Friday, we always have our Furniture Friday specials, which go for 3 days straight. But of course, just reminding you guys about SSAB Bargain. You know, SSAB Bargain, you can find option because even though they found food
Oh yeah.
towards Easter, so you know everyone's staying away from red meat, but fish products we always have an option for you over there at SSAB Bargain. So cereals as well, you can get 2 cereals from the Post range. So that's honeycomb. We have the fruity pebbles, fruity cocoa pebbles, and you can get the honeycomb brunch from our Post selection of cereals. So you can buy 2 for only 29 tala and 90 cent. And besides from that, we have coffee as well, energy drinks, pushing no. Well, SSAB Bargain or SSAB is the sole distributor of Pepsi and Pepsi products in Samoa. So we have a massive range of beverages to choose from. We have the 7-Up, we have Mountain Dew. We have Dr. Pepper, we have Pepsi, the strawberry flavor, the vanilla flavor. We have Pepsi Max, we have Pepsi Zero. We
Pepsi
have
vanilla?
Yeah, vanilla.
That's what I'm talking about.
You get that vanilla taste with the roll of the tongue, if you know what I mean.
I am looking at SSAB Bargains Samoa, their Facebook page. You can also grab yourself breakfast along the way.
Yeah.
If you're coming from that way, there's meat pies, mince and cheese, steak and cheese. What's your favorite meat pie?
Well, I'll go for the steak and cheese. No, I love my meat.
You know, there's always a debate now between people. It's either steak and cheese or mince
and cheese. Oh.
Wow.
Well, that's so. I reckon that's a story for another time. But I believe. Well, what's your favorite, Cash?
I would say mince and cheese.
Mince and cheese. Well, we're not. I believe we're not the same.
But anyways, that's a little bit about SSAB Bargains, which is gonna open in Savaii. Opening up in Savaii, which is very, very good news for our customers in Savaii as well.
Well, speaking of SSAB Bargain, we still have some products on specials. We have our dips. Well, when you go to a party, we have those party dips. Well, if you grab yourself like a party pack of snacks, you can get yourself a dip as well. So all dips are going for only 7 tala at the moment. Normal price was at 11 tala 50 cents. So we have the Tararua dips. So we have the roast garlic flavor, we have the cream and chives, and then we have the cream and onion. The good thing about it, well, those are like twin deals. So you can buy 2 for the price of 1. And speaking of 2 for the price of 1, get yourself the Best Foods mayonnaise.
Best Foods mayonnaise, the best there is.
Yep. You can grab the 405 gram mayo of Best Food. Normal price was at 13 tala 50 cents for 1. Good news.
Wow.
You can buy 2 for only 5 tala.
Best Foods mayonnaise.
Yep.
2 for 5 tala. Oh, wow. You know what I'm feeling at the moment? Fish and chips with Best Foods mayonnaise.
You're saying like fish and chips and fries. There's a saying that went around like I think a year ago. Well, I want to order like fish and chips with fries.
Fish and chips with fries.
Well, we've been, I believe, Cash, we've been talking about people traveling here, not going back to overseas after having family favlavis, having family gatherings. And one thing for sure is to remind you guys of the option that we have with our marketing, our online sales. That you can buy a product that you can see on our Facebook page. That's on special, or a product that's available on our website. You can do that purchase from overseas, from the comfort of your home, wherever you are in the world, like in New Zealand, Australia, or America. You can always purchase that product on our website and get your friends and get your family over here in Samoa to pick the product here from us over there at SSAB.
And one of the examples of those, here's one from our Facebook page. There was a family that bought products from Hastings, New Zealand, and it was delivered to Satapuala.
You know what? Well, recently, one of our marketing managers, one of our online managers, went to those sites in New Zealand. So, just to let them know, awareness is the key. Just to let our folks, our people over there who's going through seasonal work, that they can do that option. Well, saves them time, saves them money, saves them time from standing in queues, the queuing up in the bank and try to send money over. But they can always do that from the comfort of their home. Fingertips. Scroll up, blink, blink, blink. Sell, fuck out, then tell your family and friends over here Samoa. Mom. Han. Easy, convenient shopping.
Exactly.